Well, I'm out in my blind, playing around my blind, getting ready to go for hunting here, Central PA. I don't know if anybody else has ever done this, but I got a piece of wood. This piece of wood. I take a piece of wood and then I stand it up in the middle, up here. I put it up here. I cut a piece of wood off and I measure it, and it sits like right here. It has a little Y on the end of it. And I said to my wife, I said, we had to make these and find a way to sell them, because it withheld all this snow. Like there's all this snow and this ice, and this blind never fell down. She's like, "Oh, honey, they probably already make something like that." I was like, "I don't know. I've never seen nothing. I've never seen anything." I was like, "Let's get online and look." And we got online and look, and there's like 10,000 different companies that make blind stakeholders. It was just funny. She's like, "Yeah, honey, sorry if somebody already beat you to the punch." I'm like, "Yeah, just about every fucking blind company out there." It was hilarious. It was funny, but I wanted to show you this. There's snow all around my blind, so I took and I packed all the snow around it so that like it's tight, like it's really tight right there. So like my scent can't get out other than like up through my windows here or whatever. And that was kind of the point, kind of holds everything in. This is a cool spot. It's right behind my house. I'm not expecting to see much here, but with these brutally cold weather, the temperatures and stuff, I figured it was better than not going out at all. If I'm home, I might as well go out. I got the camera covered. If I'm home and able to go hunting, I'm gonna go hunting. Just that simple. And she got me, my wife got me a rain suit, and we'll have to play around with that. They're calling for rain next week and maybe this weekend. I don't know. I'm not gonna be home much next week. Next week I'm going to Kentucky, so I might not get to try out the rain gear, but that's okay. As soon as it rains and I have the opportunity, I'm gonna put my wife's rain gear on and go see if I can get wet. Should be fun. Stay tuned for that video. So that'll be a good one. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I had an awesome Christmas. I really did. Christmas Day, I didn't do much. I laid around the house. I didn't feel real good. I kind of caught the sniffles from everybody New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve was a blast. I got to spend the whole day with my kids and my family and my mother, and I cooked all day for everybody, and I had a great day. It was so much fun. We had a blast. I hope everybody had a great Christmas Eve and all that. We're getting ready to come up on New Year's. Pretty excited for New Year's just because it means we're heading into 2023, baby. I can't wait. I love the holidays, don't get me wrong, but I'm so excited to get them here and gone. I can't wait to get a little bit of normal back in our life. And then spring turkey, baby. Oh, it's my favorite time of the year. I love spring turkey. This year I'm going to try hard to get one with a bow. I took my bow out a few times last year without any luck. I didn't have any luck at all. And then the last week of season, I ended up getting a very nice gobbler. He was awesome. If I'd had my bow with me, I could have shot him with my bow. He was like 10 yards away with my 12 gauge, and I had the tungsten shots. I had the fucking Apex. I had an Apex loaded in at 10 yards. That turkey didn't stand a chance. He was toast. And I kind of messed up his beard. I don't know if you guys seen any of that video or pictures or anything. That was an awesome day. That was a fun hunt. But yeah, just out in my blind. This is a good blind. I don't even know the name of it. It was like the only blind under $100 on Amazon at the time. And does anybody else do this? I like to put my blind up against a tree so that I can put my bow holder in here. With the Mathews, I don't like the Mathews kickstand. Everybody likes the Mathews kickstand. I don't like to shoot with it on. It's nice and convenient in the blind. If you see a deer coming, you could try to kick it off. But like, it's really nice in the blind. But I don't like it in the blind. I don't like the kickstand. It adds too much weight to the bottom. So I do this where I try to get my blinds up beside a tree so that I can screw in a thingy and hang my bow right from it. I know they make all kinds of cool gadgets and digits and all kinds of cool shit, and they got stuff now you can stick in the ground and hang your bow from that. But if I have my crossbow, my gun, my compound, my grunt call, everything, I can hang everything off of that and not have any type of issues. And my lovely wife got me this awesome chair. It's a Hunt Right chair. Oh, that thing is so nice. Like, it swivels without making any noise. It doesn't have any arms, so I can shoot my bow out of it nice and easy. It is a very, very nice chair. Super comfortable. I sat in it last night for a few hours. And you guys see my pictures. That was from last night. And yeah, I'm sitting here watching Blue Jays right now. It's only like a 2-minute walk back to my house, so I just come over and stuff the sides in to get the snow. I had some of it kicked in last night, but I wanted to kick it in a little bit last night and move my bow arm a little bit. Check my camera. I wanted to check my trail camera, see if anything came in through here last night or this morning. Guess what? Nothing did. So I didn't miss anything by not being here this morning. There's a monster buck coming through. I'm just hoping to get a picture of him. I'm tagged out and I can't shoot him, but he's huge. He's fucking huge. He is. I think it's the buck last year. Last year there was a buck I called him Ice Pick because he had an ice pick sticking up out of his head. It looked like he had like it came from like the base of his horns and sticked up like that far. Like, it was a cool looking, looked like an ice pick coming up out of his head. It was very, very cool looking buck, and he was just a monster. And I haven't seen him all year, and then all of a sudden this monster buck shows up December 18th, chasing does around on my trail camera. I'm like, whoa, check that guy out. And then there's him, there's a 6-point, an 8-point, and a whole bunch of doe. And I got 1 or 2 doe tags. I can't remember. I have to go back there and check them out. But there's a handful of doe that I do not want to shoot, and I will know them as soon as I see them. They have like a dark patch on top of their head. I've been watching their mom and them grow up for the last 2 or 3 years, and there's a handful of does that I know very well, and there's one doe, we call her the 900-pound doe because my boy seen it. He's like, that doe's like 900 freaking pounds. He was going crazy. And I was like, really, Gavin? It's a 900-pound doe. He's like, yeah, it's freaking huge. And then we got a video of it. And I was like, this is the doe you're talking about, right? He's like, yeah, look how big that thing is. Like, I know. She's bigger than most bucks. I know, she's a beast. He's like, we don't shoot her. She puts out 3 deer every year. She's old and healthy and knows how to survive Pennsylvania winters, and it gets winter here, dude. It's cold. Like, you know, these deer got to be tough. We got a lot more coyote than we ever had before, and you know, plus the road and more traffic. Like, she knows how to survive. She has 2 fawns this year, and both of them survived. I still have pictures and videos of them. They may not make the winter, I don't know, but she made it, and her 2 fawns made it. I don't like killing deer like that. They're tough and they know how to survive. She'll put out a buck. You know, next year he'll be a nice little one. If one of them 2 fawns is a buck, you know, next year it'll be a little 4-point run around here, and then the following year it'll be a nice 8-point run around here. So like, I don't like shooting does. I really don't like shooting doe. I really do. I haven't shot a doe in like 3 or 4 years. Yeah, I didn't shoot one last year. I didn't shoot one this year. The last one I think I got was with my VXR. That's how long ago it was since I shot a doe. I don't know. Just not that big a fan. If I kill 1 deer a year, that's enough for me. That's enough for me. I like to go down into like Virginia, North Carolina, anywhere. I'd like to go down south and hunt them little deer. Like North Carolina, I could buy $200 worth of license and hunt pigs and turkeys and like 2 to 4 buck, I think, something like that. And like, you could kill like 7 deer, like 4 doe. Like, that's awesome. That's freaking awesome. I don't know what Virginia is like. Like, I thought about checking out Virginia. Virginia's a little bit closer than North Carolina is, but there's a lot of good hunting down that way. But alright guys, like and subscribe. I'm just trying to pump out some videos. I appreciate y'all for watching. Just hanging out, I guess. I don't even know what the name is video. What do we name this video? Getting my blind ready for 2nd season. I wish I had a flintlock. I don't know. I got a whole bunch of squirrels running around here, so we might pop a few squirrels. Peace and love, everybody. Like and subscribe. For those of you who have liked and subscribed, my channel's been really growing here. Like, I really appreciate y'all. If you watch it this long, you're awesome. You know who you are. I love that you guys watch the video. Do I love you? Fuck no. Unless you're family, then I love you, of course. Duh. But, you know, my close friends, you know who you are. But for you guys that I hate the YouTubers that say, I love you guys so much. Oh my God, you're amazing. Like, yeah, I love that you watched the video, but I'm not fucking psychotic. Peace and love, everybody. Have a safe and happy New Year's. Peace. Wish me luck. I need it.